This is MJ, which actually stands for Minifer.
But everybody just calls me MJ.
Everybody calls him MJ.
Yeah. So starting off, the first thing I would say is that it's all about branding. And so with branding, people do business with people they know, they like, and they trust.
Mm-hmm.
I think I saw you had an ad on Facebook. So I was kind of leery and kind of scared, like, oh, this is a scam. And then when I finally talked to you, your energy, I was like, okay, I picked up on the energy. His energy was loud. And I was like, beautiful. So when I saw his ad and then he came in, he had me do an evaluation. I did the evaluation and my credit was terrible.
Wasn't great.
No, terrible. It's terrible.
Collections, even a repoed car, stuff like that. He basically had every type of credit problem that you can fix in a small amount of time.
So if anything I can say to anyone that's out there, if you were truly trying to buy a house, I always say that, you got to do what you got to do in order to do what you want to do. Mm-hmm. And you got to look at the ugliness. But as Bruce Lee says, you got to pull down in the ugliness and pull out the positiveness. And that positiveness is now the house that we have, which has actually gone up in value. And from there, as we, did this program, it just helped us out. And before you know it, when he said that, I asked him, I was like, oh, there's no way we'll get this. And I said, hey, we want to look at a house, but we need a pre-approval letter. And he went through and he said, hey, you can get a pre-approval letter. And I'm like, stop playing. And I thought I was only going to get a pre-approval letter for like $100,000.
Super common that I can tell someone how to get like 40 points.
Mm-hmm.
It's super common that somebody who's honestly doing everything right has something stupid on their credit. And if you already have if you're already in contract to buy the home, you're just going to pay for that. But if we have like 90 days, mm-hmm. I'll just tell you how to fix it. Boom, gone, may cost you nothing.
Yep.
So you felt trapped by time mm-hmm. because you heard the word credit history.
Yep.
A million times. Mm-hmm. Your credit score isn't a history.
No.
It literally does not matter what was on your credit bureau last month. It just matters what's on it right now. Right. What is actually fulfilling is I talk to a lot of people who have basically been laughed out of banks or credit unions, or they got in contract, were pre-approved, and then got denied, which also sucks. Mm-hmm. And getting someone a home at that point, and usually being way cheaper anyways, is actually fulfilling.
I think, I have that cloud of the foreclosure over my head that now that you got this foreclosure and you got this car thing, you'll never be able to get anything. But like I said, I followed his program, and voila. If it's someone you want to work with, I would highly recommend. If you want to call me, we can talk, to let you know that this is legit, this is real, this is a real person. So man, I'm always forever humble, thankful, grateful, and whatever you need me, I'm going to always be there, man, because you made a dream come true that I thought would never come true.